Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your LinkedIn headline with Canva templates, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and create a free account if you don't have one. Once signed in, type LinkedIn headline in the search bar. Choose a template from the options provided. Click on the template to open it for editing. Familiarize yourself with the design tools available. Start by selecting the text area where the headline is located. Delete the default text and enter your personalized headline. Make sure your headline includes relevant keywords for your profession. Adjust the font size to ensure readability. Change the font style to match your personal brand. Experiment with colors that complement your profile picture. Consider adding a background to make the headline stand out. Use icons or graphics that are relevant to your industry. Position any graphic elements so they do not overshadow the text. Preview your design by clicking the preview button in the corner. Make any final adjustments to alignment and spacing. Once satisfied, click the download button. Select the appropriate file format, preferably PNG for clarity. Download the file to your device. Now, go to LinkedIn and sign in to your profile. Navigate to the Edit section of your profile. Locate the section where you can edit your headline. Upload the image you created in Canva. Position your new headline correctly. Save the changes. Check how your profile looks to ensure everything is perfect. Your LinkedIn headline is now set up with a professional touch using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.